Hey friends! So I've just came out of the gym. Maybe you can see my cheeks are still a little bit reddish. It's really cold outside, but I finally want to sit down and do feedback about the bio cleanse, colon cleanse that I did last week, because so many of you were asking me about it. Oh, can you see my towel? I just hung it up. So the bio cleanse, colon cleanse, who haven't watched my first stories, is a 9-day fasting colon cleanse, where first 3 days you like incrementally decrease your food day by day, and then for the 5 days you don't have any food except like clay shakes and some digest power capsules from the Detox, and then it's followed with when you break the fast, you have to eat for 2 days just fruits with some clay shake, and then from now on I follow alkaline vegan diet. So in short, if I recommend this colon cleanse, 150% yes, I'm gonna be doing it again. The first year when you do it, they recommend to do it every 2 to 3 months. The years after, once or twice a year. And normally people, we do have to cleanse our colon because like such as things as coffee, chocolate, pasta, bread, all processed foods, like even for example oats are highly acidic, so they're creating but like our bodies is trying to protect us by forming that mucoid and like absorbing all of those toxins and storing in our gut. That's why we want to get it out, because that's why I follow alkaline vegan diet right now, is so that it doesn't form so much acidity in our bodies. So what else do I want to say? Like, feel free to DM me any questions of yours, but 150%, if you have been thinking about it, go and do it. There's the cleanse I did, it's a full strength cleanse. There's another version where you do it for, I think, a longer period of days, but you're allowed to have some kind of food. So there's different options, but definitely people go and cleanse your colon, because the way I feel, like, I feel so much lighter, and unless you do it, we think the way we feel is normal, but once we take the shit out, literally, there's such a difference. So I think like the total, when I stopped, by the end of the fast, I'm gonna stop this. Okay, so total, I think by the end of the fast, I lost like 4.5 kg, which wasn't obviously the intention of the cleanse, but it's mind-blowing. And since I started eating again, I think the total is like 3 kg that I lost, because obviously there's food in my body right now, but like I feel so much different and so much better. So if you have been thinking about doing colon cleanse, definitely go and do it. I'm gonna tag bio cleanse down here. And if you have, guys, any questions, feel free to DM me and I'll happily help you out. And I'll talk to you later.